Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this support where Bitcoin is going to hit very soon. And we will also watch this 200 weekly simple moving average heat map as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me show you this 200 weekly simple moving average heat map, and you can see that this chart is showing blue signals that is showing that we are getting closer to the weekly 200 simple moving average. And if we take a look at the historical chart of the 200 weekly simple moving average, then we can see that Bitcoin never broke down this 200 simple moving average, and whenever it is testing this moving average, we are having very nice bull rallies after hitting this 200 weekly simple moving average. And most of the times when it turns blue, it gives the signal that from there we can expect a reversal move, or maybe we will soon hit the 200 simple moving average. And after hitting the 200 simple moving average, we will start a very big, we will have a very big move from there to the upside. Now if we move to the weekly lifetime frame chart, then here we can see this is, by the way, 200 weekly simple moving average I've placed, and the value, you can mark the value here, that is approximately $22,000, $21,800, and you can see it is still moving to the upside. And you can see here on the weekly time frame chart, Bitcoin has again formed another very huge falling wedge pattern, and we are very close to hit this target, this support of the falling wedge. Previously we formed this wedge here, and this was support, by the way. And after breaking out this previous falling wedge, the Bitcoin set a new all-time high. You can see Bitcoin moved to here at $69,000 and again moved down, and right now we have formed another falling wedge pattern. We have almost 2 touch points here, 3 touch points here, and then we have 2 more touch points on the weekly time frame, and this will be another touch point that will be 6th touch point at the support. And you can see that the movement of the price line is getting squeezed, and the falling wedge is also getting squeezed, so soon it can break down or break out the support. And we can also see that we have a very strong support here at $28,600 that I have been telling you even in my previous videos as well. And Bitcoin is not breaking down the support since after January 2021. You can see whenever it is entering in the support zone that is starting from $33,000 and goes to $28,600, or hits here at $28,000 support, we are having very nice rallies. Like here Bitcoin entered, once again entered, and after the 4th attempt, the price line rallied very well. And here we have several tests once again from May 2021 to July 2021, and we again had a very big move once again in the month of May 2022. We are testing this support zone, and this time we are again having this support of the wedge like previously we had here. And at the same time, we are going to test the support of this $28,600, and slightly below than this support we have the support of the wedge as well. So it is possible that we will have a little bit longer spike beyond this support up to the support of the wedge, and then we will have another reversal move from here. And the next resistance, the price level resistance, will be at $33,000, and if the price line goes to the resistance of the falling wedge, this time that can be up to somewhere here at approximately $36,000. And after breaking out, we can expect that it can set a new all-time high. However, the target can be here at the final resistance or the top of the wedge, that will be approximately at $68,000. Now if we switch to the monthly time frame, then here we can see that on the monthly time frame, this is happening for the 3rd time, by the way, in the history of Bitcoin. We entered the oversold zone. We had a very huge rally. We entered the oversold zone here in the March 2019. We had a huge rally, and this time again we are just entering the oversold zone. The stochastic is just entering the oversold zone on the monthly time frame, and even on the weekly time frame you can see that the stochastic has entered the oversold zone once again. And let's move back to this week monthly time frame. Then here we also have a very big hidden bullish divergence as well, like the price line is forming higher low than previous low, and if we take a look at the stochastic, then it is forming lower than previous low. Just below the price line you can see this low is higher than previous low, and here we have a big difference between this low, and this is lower than the previous low. So there is a very big hidden bullish divergence on the monthly time frame. Therefore we can expect a huge reversal move to the upside after testing the support of the falling wedge. We are very close to the support, and it is also possible that we may move here for 1 or 2 or 3 weeks sideways here, and this 200 simple moving average will again move up like it is every week. It is moving to the upside, and it will also provide the support to the candlesticks, and then we will start the next rally from here. So until this support is not broken down, we can expect that the game is not over, and Bitcoin is still in a very big bull run, and from here another very big move to the upside can be started. So soon Bitcoin can test the support. For that we need to move down a little bit lower from here, and we should be prepared for that. Even in my last video I was telling you that we should be prepared for this move on the short term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.